What? I see Tuco got the best part of the morning.
He did, didn't he? He took all your flying practice. Oh, look what you got.
Well, I bet it's been.
That's the mini, right?
Normal mode. Stunt 3.
Is that the full one or the mini?
No, that's the big one.
Normal mode.
It's been out of commission. The tail was pretty flimsy, so I wanted to fly it because I thought if the guy ever comes out with his kit again.
Yeah, that would be a good one.
Except for it's still, I don't know, I think I might have something wrong with mine. Well, the crosswind a little bit.
Intermediate mode. Experienced mode.
Does this get better? Look at the wind blowing. See how my rudder looks? The rudder was off on this.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Going from like right there. Adjusted the rudder. Did a lot of adjustments on the rudder.
Timer stop.
Stiffened up the tail.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
Oh, this is a fun little plane to fly. Wind's blowing right there. It's blowing pretty good too. It's probably 16, maybe more. I'd put my wind gauge up, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna fly.
Timer stop.
This is the Generation 1 safe, so there's no safe select. You push a button.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer start. Timer stop.
Oh! Looks like it'll still work.
Timer start.
We'll get it out of shape and see if it still works, because I want to. There's a guy that works here at the stage field that brings his son out. And I want to get this ready for him, because it doesn't take up any room in the hauler with the wing off.
Timer stop. Timer start.
The one time I crashed it, I don't think I took my hand. I was fighting it on the sticks the whole time. But it was a gusty day, kind of like it was a gust in the high 20s. It was up in the upper 20s, mid to upper 20s.
Timer start.
And I stalled.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
That one wheel
Timer
squeaks.
start.
That's my, I think it's my left rear squeaks. Says, ah. Man, this is like the fun plane. I wasn't just flying it on a lemon receiver unless I was flying it for somebody learning. I had to take it out and put it in another plane.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Because I've got my servoless release in here for my banner toes.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
Like I said, man, nothing. Just a wind.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
Like on a lemon, if the saying
Timer stop.
is
Timer
just as
start.
much fun, if not funner.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
To do touch and goes with. Mickey's gonna fly, so I think I'm gonna land. I still don't know my elevators, but I can turn. There's left or right. Let's turn left. Full rudder. Oh yeah, the rudder's working fine. Because last time I was out, it didn't. Oh, the push on the control rod didn't go very far. I'm gonna get out of Mickey's way, give him plenty of airspace. There you go. The E-Flite Apprentice. Generation 1. Mine's ugly as get out, man.